When you receive your Smartvid in your kitchen, the first step is to configure it quickly and easily. Switch the machine on, activate Bluetooth on your device and open the Smartvid app. Select your machine and connect it. To configure it, press Configuration. You will be able to select the language, the record format, the degrees and even the date format. In addition, you can identify your Smartvid by giving it a name, personalising it and creating different operators to make the work in the kitchen more effective and controlled. Thus, your Smartvid will be fully customised.